Hello and welcome to my channel. Hope you're well. You're working towards your goals of 2024. Yeah, I know it's been a while. I've missed you guys, but you know life happens and I haven't been recording for a while, but I'm back now. So if you're catching me for the first time, my beautiful name is Chigongo Manguza and I hope you enjoy today's video. Today I want to take you to where? It's called the Oloolua Nature Trail that is located in the heart of Karen. I hope you enjoy the hike. If you're looking for a place that you want just maybe some quiet time, Oloolua is a beautiful place for that. You want to try hiking is one of your goals for 2024 and you don't know where to start, you can start at Oloolua. It's very beginner friendly. So come along with me. I will show you how to get there if you're using public means, and the activities that you can do there, and even the kind of things that you're going to see once you are there. So come, let's go. If you're in Nairobi, the meeting place is usually outside Kenya National Archives, but this time we met Apple Kencom and grouped together so that you can head towards bus station, which is where you will find the matatus or minibuses going to Oloolua. Look for buses which are written Naboka Sacco, or alternatively you can ask the conductors or touts who man the stage there. They will show you the bus that goes to Oloolua. The ride to Oloolua takes about 45 minutes or so because matatus will have to stop to drop off and pick up passengers along the way. At the trail, payment is via the eCitizen platform, so make sure you're able to access your account, or if you are there as a group, you can channel your money to one person who will make the payment on your behalf. I think it is even easier that way, because now the fee that is charged for the payment will only be now charged to one person as opposed to all of you guys. Yeah, so this is where the trail begins. You can walk if you have a bicycle, you can cycle. Yeah, let's go and see how beautiful this place looks like. I think I have talked enough. Let's enjoy the place. I was here for team building with some of my colleagues. So team building is one of the activities that you can do here if you're not the hiking person. You can come together, friends, colleagues, and you can have a very amazing time. So this is me walking and enjoying the quiet peace of nature. Doesn't this place look amazing? Bora tuikwe jina ya mtu mwenye ako hapo.
Mwoni ni nani? Mimi mjui jina yako.
Ni kama
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.
we came across some safari ants along the way, so you also need to be careful. Jesus kikungia kwa nguo. The first attraction we came across was the natural cave, which is about 37 meters long deep into the forest surface. This cave was once used by the Mau Mau fighters during the colonial days. Today, it is home for birds and other small mammals that inhabit the area. The other attraction is the bamboo resting point, which invites you to take a rest and embrace nature in a silent world. However, we chose to do the exact opposite and have games and fun and laughter, as you're going to see. The last attraction we came across is the breathtaking waterfall, with the falls draining their waters into the Mbagade River. What an amazing sight. Wow, what an amazing walk that was. But it's time to say goodbye. Thank you so much for watching. If you're yet to subscribe, kindly consider doing so. Feel free to let me know what you think about the video in the comment section. Like, share the video with your friends. Until next time, stay safe and take care.